over. Now, folks, but basically what I'm saying is somebody dial 911 on your phone and then hold your button on, hold your finger on send, and we can be ready for this. We call this trick the chainsaw of death. But I gotta know, do you guys want to see me risk my life for your entertainment?
Yeah!
And how many of you want to see me fuck it up and die? Yeah! Same people. Same people. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. Do I have enough height here? No, I got enough height. Let's give it a shot. Chainsaw of death.